So today we're going to talk why to rent with Home Partners of America instead of a straight rental. So let's start by saying that if you have at least 580 for credit score, you are good to go, you can apply. And that's huge if you compare to what is required by the landlords in the market. That's a minimum 640 that, as you may know, that's almost the same as applying to buy a home. The second thing I would say is that option, that they give you that option where you want to live. So if you want to live in a specific market, they're going to have a property there. Of course, there are some minimum requirements that the properties have to have in order to get approved with the program. But I would say most of the major cities like Las Vegas, Henderson are included. So another benefit including with that is that you can try out a neighborhood and see if you like the schools, you like the area, you like the amenities. And if you like it, of course, you know, great news. And if you like it, that's great. You can buy the property. You don't have to go to that inconvenience of packing and moving to another property. Now let's talk about one of the most important things about this program, I would say, as a real estate agent. And that's, like, as you may know, right now home prices are increasing really fast. So now let's talk about one of the other benefits that I really love about this program, and is the appreciation cap. So let me tell you a little bit more about that. That means that they have a range of the maximum increment that is going to be for the new purchase price, and that's going to be between 2.5 to 5% annually, which can give you that peace of mind that you will know what's your worst scenario if you decide to buy the property down the road. So that means that if the market goes backwards and it doesn't worth anymore what it's supposed to worth, great news. You don't have to buy the property. You are not obligated to buy it, so you can just cancel and walk away. You can even get back your deposit and move to a new area or new property. Let's also talk about what happens on the other side. So if the property keeps increasing price, that is what they are assuming, well, now you can buy the property with a massive, significant equity, and the program doesn't take anything from that. It's completely yours. So that's why there is a cap since the beginning, that they say, okay, this is the maximum that I'm gonna be incrementing every year if you don't buy it. There is also the other part that I really like, that is the rent increase. So the rent increase tells you that it's not going to increase more than 3.75% each year, which is amazing. I have clients that they are receiving these letters from the landlord saying, we're going to increase $300 just like that. With this program, you can have that peace of mind that they are not going to be increasing 200, 300. No, that the maximum that they're going to increase is 3.75%. And well, I would say that one of the ones that I really like. The other one that I would say is that if you don't have that big money for down payment, closing costs that requires to buy a property, or if you have it and you are not sure that you want to buy right now because maybe you feel like it's not the right time, the market is a little expensive, interest rates are increasing, well, then let me tell you something. You can use that same down payment that you will have put to buy a property in other projects that, if investing in the right way in real estate, that I also explained that in another video, you can turn that same capital into much more. And then if you decide down the road that you want to buy the property, you can even put a bigger down payment and save in the mortgage insurance, and you can have other benefits over there. So well, that's all. If you like this video, just please subscribe. My name is Lorena Loor, and this is the Loor Group Real Estate Experts. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to learn more about how to invest in real estate and into these high producing assets, or if you want to know how to submit a successful application to Home Partners of America and get pre-approved, check out my other videos where I talk about that. Thank you so much for watching.